Welcome to another Palladium Accounting tutorial video. This video will be focused on the container item feature within Palladium. Here at Palladium, we're always looking at devising new ways to aid companies in managing their bottom line. And the container item feature is yet another useful tool to achieve this. The setup of the container item feature is a three-step process. Firstly, we'll need to create a container item. Then we'll look at linking the container item to an existing primary item. Then lastly, we will demonstrate the functionality of this feature on all sales documents. Step 1. Create a container item. To do this, you have to go to the Inventory module. Under the Maintenance section, select Inventory and Services. Create New Item. We will create a container item called Crate. And just as simple as that, we now have a container item. Step 2. We will now link the created container item to a primary inventory item. In this example, this will be an orange. Now, to link the created container item, we need to go to the primary item. When we go into this inventory item, you'll see along here there's a tab that's called Container Items. As you can see, there is already a container item linked to this primary item, the orange, called Box, which you can see can hold up to 20 oranges. Now we will link the container item we just created. For this example, we'll say it can hold up to 35 oranges. Step 3. Now we'll demonstrate the functionality of the container item on a sales document, such as an invoice. Now, to go to a sales invoice, we'll have to go to the Accounts Receivable module, then select the sales invoice icon. We'll select the customer, and now we'll select the primary item that we link the container item to. Now, if we select a quantity of 35 oranges, we can now select the container item icon, which will pop up with a screen recommending the quantity of container items we will require to hold this amount of oranges. So as you ought to recall, we linked two container items to this primary item. We had the box that was already linked before we started, which could hold a pack size of 20. Therefore, we expect it to recommend that we'll need 2 boxes for this quantity of oranges. And the container item we created ourselves, called the crate, and we could add a pack size of 35, we anticipate that will recommend we'll just need the 1 crate. So now if I select the icon, as you can see, the box, pack size of 20, therefore it's recommended in a quantity of 2, and the crate, which we created, pack size of 35, and therefore it's recommended just a quantity of 1. Now for this example, we will select the container item we created, so we require a pack size of 1, we don't require any of this one, so we'll change that to 0. We'll select OK, and then you'll see it'll automatically pull through an extra line item for the crate with a quantity of 1. That is now the end of the tutorial on container items. And just to show our thanks for you watching the video, please make a note of the provided discount code, which will provide you with a 5% discount off your next Palladium purchase. Also, if you have any questions regarding this tutorial, please contact us on the details provided. Thanks again, and bye for now.